What's happening, guys? We are in Bengaluru. Squadron is here. That is Harman, Varun, Archish, Borders, Basir, Shweta. Sartaj is here.
Basir.
Vicky, Milan, Gurmeet. We're going to meet all the participants for the first time right now. They haven't met us yet. They've been waiting. And we're in a very nice place. It is the Mango Mist Resort in Bengaluru. That's the entry. That's the entry. How's it going? The boys are going in. So all the boys have gone in. Shweta has gone in. And everybody's cheering for them. I am here. This is an idea. What's going on? Wow, what a great response to them, man. I'm going to Mansi. They didn't want me to go. I think it's time for me to go. Give me some.
Alright, listen. First of all, you're back here? Welcome to Squadron Weekend. We're so happy. I'm seeing a lot of familiar faces from the first weekend. Who are here from the first? Oh my God. Alright, which means you did something well. Alright, I'm going to just take a minute and just reintroduce to you. By the way, Basir. He was the finalist of Roadies this year. And by the way, right now is on Splitsvilla. You can ask him anything about Roadies for sure. But Splitsvilla, jitne episodes hai, right? He'll tell you as much as you want. And these 2 days you'll get to interact with all of us, play, do different activities, and it'll be fun. These guys didn't believe what all we did last time, but no, not like that. Hey. You all know Harman? Just in case you don't, you can turn around Harman, just Varun Sood from Roadies Rising, one of the guys that had so much promise and everyone wanted to perform, and every time Basir was there, I was there, and there's so many people, and Milan won everybody's heart. And if you haven't seen him perform on Roadies, you can follow him on Instagram to see what he's capable of. Of course, Jay Bonus. He's going to be instrumental in making sure you guys don't get muscle pulls today, because he's great in yoga. Villa, the last one. Was a Roadies finalist. Hey, Basir and Gurmeet, you guys have that in common. You went to the finale of Roadies and...
Same story.
And then... There's the girl power. She's got the biggest guns in Squadron. Let's see that. She is your Roadies winner for this year. She represented girl power in Roadies and is also representing girl power in Squadron. There's another girl who's going to join us. Yeah, but she's right now in a party. It's called Kids Party. And Vicky, a big round of applause for her. He's Amitabh Bachchan. You must have seen him like 85 ads, if not more. Just sit down now, we'll chill. Oh yeah, right away. You're also sit. Dishant is not coming. But I'm going to tell him that one person was really upset. Alright guys, first of all, we're doing a Facebook Live from Squadron's page. You can all share it. All of you are in it. And we'll do, every activity we'll do one Facebook Live. You can share it if you want. Every time you do a tweet or an Instagram post or whatever, use the hashtag Squadron killing it, and Squadron Weekend. You don't have to write two. Just say Squadron Weekend so that. Alright.
What's up?
Very briefly, we're gonna have lunch now, and after that we're all gonna meet at 4 o'clock for an activity session, which is a lot of fun. We do a lot of things that you've seen us do in the past couple of years, throwing a frisbee, doing some basketball shots, doing some obstacles. So all of us together will be doing similar things, and they're very important because there's something that's going to happen tomorrow, and if you do this activity properly today, it'll be really useful for you. Alright? That's one. After that, we'll chill, we'll have some tea, and where's Mansi? Mansi? Have you shared the program with them? Good, then we can supply them with shock them also. Alright. And in the evening, I believe that last time we did a cultural kind of program where we just met you guys and we performed. Some of us have some talents, the others just like are good looking. I don't know what to say. But then we realized that a lot of you, we wanted to see if you wanted to share something. So there were some people who wanted to sing. There was this guy who was a poet and a stand-up comedian. So between us and you, we can just like come up on stage and do whatever we want. But we can warm up the stage for you so that if anybody's feeling shy, there'll be no inhibitions. Because once we screw up on stage, it's so easy. Just come up and just do your thing. Dinner, and then tomorrow morning we're going to have something that we call the Squadron competition. Last time it was a lot of fun. It'll be a little different, similar but different. And we're just going to have fun. You're gonna just hang out with us. We're going to spend these couple of days with you. And then if you enjoy it, there's no vote out.
Why? No.
There are no gangs.
No vote out, no
It's
gang.
just fun. Is it okay? It's just fun, okay for you? And we'll do a lot of activities where you'll have fun. You'll discover new things about yourself. Now, I'm going to let any one of you ask any one of us a single question, and then everybody gets one question, and then we move for lunch. Is that okay? Who's hungry?
Yeah!
So make it quick. Anybody has any question? Raise your hand.
Hands.
Warming up. Ajo. What's your name, bro? Najib. Alright, what is the question and for who?
कितना अच्छा bro.
Basir bhai, क्या सवाल है?
Yes bro.
You inspired me a lot this season, so I just want to say that I love you.
Wow. Okay, that's a good question.
Very good question.
Yes. Jaldi. We're all hungry.
My name is Manan. I'm from Bangalore. I want to tell something. Ask Guru a question. To be very, very honest, everyone's a fan of Ranuj. Everyone's fan. But I have come here for Guru Bhai. I want to ask one question. During tasks, I play a lot of sports. So I get really aggressive while playing sports and I cannot channelize that energy during the tasks because you're
Guys,
all quiet
stay
and
tuned.
cool behind. But when it
The
comes to tasks,
squadron
you
page,
nail it.
you will see what
How
they
do you
do throughout the
channelize
day.
your aggression and energy?
Right now we're interacting.
How do you channelize your aggression? He has no aggression. he's close to like that. What is that? The monk. Like he's like a monk. He's strong. He knows kung fu, and then everything.
So I have this ring, so I asked Noah. यार ये ठंडा होने के लिए मैंने नहीं और कितना ठंडा होगा इतना ठंडा होगा why should I give no secret
Oh!
no the thing is when you go through life and you
Alright,
go through all
we're
the
going
obstacles
to
and
take a
you
break
face
now.
that thing.
We're going to go for
So
lunch.
I always
And after
thought,
that, when we
either
start
you
the
win
activities,
or
we're going to do
learn.
another Facebook
I never say that I failed.